Presenting Noise Pulse 2 Max 1.85 inches display, Bluetooth calling smartwatch. It is available in the color black link, jade green, jet black, rose pink, silver gray, vintage brown, black, blue, green, gray, pink and wine. It has different sizes to choose from: 1.69, 1.85 and 1.96 inches. See everyday data clearly under the brightest sun on the 1.85 inches TFT LCD that sports 550 nits of brightness and the highest screen-to-body ratio. Talk directly to your loved ones from your wrist, manage calls, access your favorite contacts and dial from the dial pad. Now connect with the world in a smart way, thanks to Tru Sync technology that ensures faster and stable connection and low power consumption. The 10-day battery is made to stay with you through your busiest days. Get started on your fitness journey with a whole range of wellness features in Noise Health Suite and 100 sports modes to support you. A new day calls for a new face. With 4 default watch faces in the watch, replace to choose from over 150 plus watch faces options available in app and don a new look every day. The box includes smartwatch, magnetic charger, user manual and warranty card.